today's hearing. Like I've said, at the last hearing, the Supreme Court had indicated that it wants to use its Article 142 complete justice powers to quash all the FIRs across the country against protesters in one go from the Supreme Court itself. We welcome that indication. Today, the Supreme Court again asked the Union government through its Solicitor General Tushar Mehta ji to give a list of FIRs that the Supreme Court can quash. The Union government was saying that there are hardened criminals, around 2,800 of them that were identified by the facial recognition technology. We want to proceed against them. The Supreme Court made it very clear that if 2,800 have to be proceeded against, you file a separate FIR and give us a separate list of those FIRs. But against the protesters, whatever FIRs are pending, give that list to us and we'll quash it. They asked it 3 times, but there was no commitment from the Union government side. It is highly, highly condemnable. It shows that the government is wanting to dishonor its commitments on July 25 that it gave to the young of this country. We will not tolerate this. The Cockroach Janata Party will convene a meeting of its National Working Committee and will decide on the next steps that have to be taken to get the government to honor the commitments that it has already made to the young of this nation on July 25th.
But Kiran, did you say that nobody was seriously injured and there were many...
So what did he want? Did he want serious injuries? Did he want the guns to be fired? Did he want any protesters to be killed? Is that what he's hinting at? I don't know what this means. Ki there were no pellet guns. Sorry, there were no guns used. There was no bullet fired. Why are you even asking, giving these statements? It does not arise in the first case because these are your own citizens, your own children. These people are exercising their fundamental right to protest. So how on earth are you even giving a statement that no bullets were fired? वो तो given ही है ना, मतलब इस देश में आप थोड़ी ना बुलेट चला सकते हो. वो तो फिर कल को ये भी बोल देंगे आके कि हम लोगों ने टैंक नहीं चलाया प्रोटेस्टर्स के ऊपर, तो हम लोग क्या ताली बजाएंगे उनके लिए? तो ये सब बचकानी बात है, ये सब चलेगा नहीं. देश के युवा जग चुका है एंड उनको समझना चाहिए कि जो कमिटमेंट आपने दिया है, वो जो जबान दी है, उसको आप ऑनर करिए.